Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. And in this update, we are going to check out XLM's price chart. And I think in the previous video, we were right in here. And the idea was that most likely we are having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave down, which on a higher degree is into this wave 3. Followed by that, we can expect a correction up for 4 and at least another move down into wave 5. And even at that point, maybe our move down is not over. Why? Because this overall 5 wave can be even on a higher degree into this yellow wave 3 and followed by that correction for 4, another move down into wave 5. And I still fully stand by what I said. Now, in the short term, however, the story might be a bit different. Let's go around here. You see, if you want to argue, we're going to have our final low around here. Maybe this is like an important support. Then, okay, off of the lowest low, you need to be able to find a 5 wave on the upside. This specific example is an impulse. Rules for it are, we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of 5 wave, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. And in terms of the sub waves, you know it if you are a regular viewer. 5 wave up into wave 1, 3, and 5. And for wave 2 and 4, we can have many different counts. Honestly, it doesn't really matter. Let's say sure. ABC into 4 and a WXY into wave 2. Also, here is another important point for you. You see, whenever you are having a couple of very close highs or maybe lows, doesn't really matter. Usually, in case that you are having a couple of highs, a lot of people in these areas are going to open some short positions and their stop losses are above the highs right in here. And in most cases, we are seeing after maybe like a very short-term move on the downside, a move up in order to hit all those people's stop loss and basically make them cry. Why is this important? Because I think in the short term in XLM, we may actually have something like that. First things first, what do we have off of the lowest low? I think you do have a good argument for having a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up starting from this point about, let's say, 25.8 cents. So this is one sign indicating maybe the low is already in. Is this going to be my primary case? No, not really, and I'm going to tell you in a bit why. Second point, pay attention to what is happening in this area. We are having a couple of highs very close together. And again, this is just looking too perfect. Every single time that we are hitting this region, we are getting some sort of a reaction from it. And I promise you, a lot of people open some short positions in here and their stop losses are around these areas. So I'm going to argue, since number 1, the highs are very close together, and number 2, we are having 5 wave up off of the lowest low, most likely in the short term, you are going to see yet another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave impulsive structure, and that move up can happen either from the current point or maybe like just a bit lower. It's not really that important. The point that I'm trying to make is this. In XLM in the short term, I am expecting a move on the upside in order to take all the highs about, let's say the highest side is somewhere around 26.8 cents. However, that's probably not going to be a long opportunity for me. Why? Because what do we have in here? 5 wave up, this is yet another 5 wave. Between them, we are most likely having a correction. Well, okay, this is a recipe for a beautiful ABC zigzag, potentially into this wave 4, and after our correction is over, we are going to have maybe yet another move on the downside into wave 5, and at that point, maybe the sub waves for overall an ABC zigzag is complete. For now, it's really too soon to jump into that kind of conclusions. Let's just get this move up, and then if you see a rather strong move down in order to take, especially I would say the low hour be like right in here about 26.5 cents. That could be your bearish confirmation suggesting our move down is going to continue. So for now, let's count on a move up, but please pay attention. This probably not going to be a long opportunity, and then you want to see another move on the downside. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in XLM's chart. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.